Hello everyone, my name is Holiosin. I'm here to demo my project, the Subscription Sumarai. The subscription recurring let's go. The project will have the agent card, which is the first you see. You can see agent status stopped, and you see here agent is not started. We have our wallet, and this is the wallet address, EVM wallet. That's what we try to demo first, so we can see scale and expand to other wallets later. So it's on Sepolia testnet we're using. So this is the subscription card where you will subscribe to what you want to be recurring, and this is the history, transaction history. So right now I'm going to get a wallet address which I would be sending some Tether into. Let me pick this wallet address here, paste it here. Then how much am I sending? Let me send 2.5 Tether. What is the frequency that I want to send? You can see I have 12.3. okay, let me use 2.3 so it can be visible. Frequency for test case I used smaller value that the frequency can be fast for us to see in real life. I don't have such, but I have to put it so that we can actually see it work in demo mode. So let me use every minute so that it can be fast. So add subscription. So immediately I add this subscription. You can see my agent button is already activated, and we can see here active subscription. So that is the subscription 2.3 USDT. So all I need to do is just to start the agent. So agent is started. So we have to wait to see when it is going to pull out or subscribe by the next 1 minute. So we can see the log here. Our agentic log is now checking. You can see subscription agent starting. Subscription from UI, no payment due, this life cycle. So it keeps checking until 1 minute. You can now see, yes, you can see it has worked. See it here, 2.3 USDT every minute. Checking subscription, 2.3 payment due. We are paying to this. We are the transaction hash is this, and the fee for the payment is this. So as you can now see here, we are now having 10 USDT. So the subscription frequency. So once the user subscribes, it is the duty of the agent to keep on checking. As we've seen from the node log here, the agent lifecycle continues until payment are made. So I have to use this 1 minute for the demo so we can see that our agent actually works. Then you can see on the history here, 2.3 USDT. Thank you. If you know that this demo is okay, please root for our project so we can scale it further.